Hey everyone, I'm just making this video to show you guys how I'm able to fly my planes and my drones. I'm a C4-C5 quadriplegic. I've been flying for about 4 years now, I believe. I started off with a little drone, then I got into the planes. These are all my planes up here. And then I started getting into more drone racing, you could say, because of the freedom and what you're able to do in midst of flight. So this is a control that I'm using right now. I'm not able to use the regular gimbals in the controller, so I designed these 3D printed adapters. For example, this right one, I just slide my let me see if I can show you guys. I put my thumb like this. I'll include a different video where you guys could see it better. But I just put my thumb on top of it like that. And on this left adapter, I just put my thumb inside. Because my tenodesis is different on both of my hands, I require different adapters, as you can see. So here's both hands on top of each type. This is how it will look when you're moving. You get the full range of motion with the stick adapters, and they don't get in the way of the sticks on top. Yeah. So, alright, that's my controller. This right here, what you see flickering on the screen, that's my FPV monitor. I'm using this instead of my FPV goggles because it's much easier to manipulate, and I don't have to be struggling putting on the goggles every time I want to get back up and flying. And here I just turn it on, set it to the correct channel that this little drone is emitting the video frequency at. This is the one I'm going to be flying right now to show you guys. It's a tiny NewBeeDrone, or tiny whoop. Let me get a better close-up to you guys so you guys can see it. This is it. It's very tiny, which is quite awesome to fly indoors. That's the underside. That rectangle right there, that's the battery. And for the batteries, I have this charger right here, which makes it quite easy to charge the batteries. I'm able to do it myself. Just slide them into the proper slot, depending on the battery, and just set the voltage charge that I want to charge it at, and it's good to go. I'm able to charge them and put them inside the drone myself. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm using a quad tool reacher. Whenever I crash, I just go over there and get my long quad tool reacher in order to get it off the floor, or flip it back over to get back flying. Alright, so let me plug in the battery, get a flight going. If you guys have any questions, just let me know down below, and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. If you guys are interested in getting the same adapters I have, I'll link my Etsy store in the description. I 3D print them off of a TPU material, which is flexible and they won't break as easily as other 3D printed materials. I've had these adapters for probably a year and a half now. They're still holding on strong. It takes practice to plug in this battery with the reacher. Alright, I got it in. As you can see, the video appeared on the screen. I just gotta center the battery so the center of mass could be where it has to be, and the drone will be flying towards one direction. Let me see, I have to put it flat when it turns on. Alright, now we slide it back. Alright, that looks about right. Looks about in the center. Alright, we're gonna put it here. As you can see, there I am in the screen over there. Let's get to it. Controller's on. Slide my finger on the left adapter. You can probably see there. Just insert my thumb. There you go. Don't mind those flickering letters on the display. They're just a little bug. I'm not sure why that happens, but let's get flying. It's a short flight. Doing a little hover around myself. That's my 3D printer. That's where all the magic happens. And yeah, that's how I fly. I'm gonna land on my desk. There you go. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.